Son of a... Uh, good times. The problem is, since I'm running 18,000 applications, it could be any one of them causing this freaking problem. So bear with me. Hopefully we don't crash
Which is
again.
up.
Thank you. Hopefully we don't crash again.
Just curious, Coach, could your top of the line MacBook Pro handle the show by itself?
Yes, easily. Yep.
That's so cool.
Yep. Yeah, right now, of course, I've got a beast of a Windows system down here with a 4090 GPU. There's the highest end system you can buy is underneath my feet. But yeah, the MacBook Pro M3 16, yeah, that's sitting to my right would easily handle all this.
Is that a 48 or 60?
Which one?
Your model?
It's the 16. I believe it's the M3. It's the latest one. All right, let's get this party started again. Sorry, gang. Nothing I can do about that until I can figure out exactly what's going on. I will continue to work on it till I find the culprit. It'll either be one of the 6,000 applications installed on my machine, some sort of driver issue, and or a piece of hardware. So I just have to keep nailing it down until I find it. If it continues to do it, I'll just buy a whole nother complete backup identical system to this one, start over, and or just leave a couple of the apps. Or what I'll do is I'll start running all of this inside of a virtual machine with very basic, bare minimum things running. But luckily for all of you, I am an expert in all of this bullshit I just said to your face. It's what I've done my whole life. So don't you worry. If there's anybody that could do it, I would be the number one pick in the room. I got you. All right, everything should be up and running again for the 16th time today. Let me make sure we have everything up here. Here we go, looking good. All right, Zoom up, Zoom chat running. Dawn, just to get through today, I'm not going to run that extra camera system in case it's a drive that keeps conking out when it hits something.
Okay.
Yeah. System lockup is indicative of typically a hardware issue. So I'm thinking drives and or RAM like I thought the other day. But until I swap it all out, copy everything over and do all the BS that's required of it, which will take a long time, even ghosting the damn thing. Until then, I just have to run this minimally. So bear with me.
It's all good, Coach.
Yep. Let's see. Chat is up. Here we go, participants. Yay. Okay, where are we at? 9:25. Good morning, everybody. I'm going to have to fly through this now. You guys ready for the AI-generated, really fast version? Okay, good. Here we go. First of all, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, and Happily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, Palm Coast, and Jen Aaron. Thank you to all of my military family and my first responders. You're sorry you're going to get the short version today because we got to fly. We got 3 minutes, 45 seconds. If you guys are interested in joining us today, make sure you head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. We do have a lot of different memberships that you can choose from, starting with a 7-day trial. You guys can get involved in that 7-day trial right now by going to the website, clicking on join the Discord. We also have a free Discord if you don't want to join any of the memberships. Make sure you guys are tuning in every single day. We are live from 9 to 11 for stocks and options, and we are live every day from 2 to 4 o'clock for futures. Futures, again, today has opened up inside of our Discord. We will now have a live training/trading going on every day for futures from noon to 4 p.m. So we are looking forward to growing that futures channel. Ange, of course, is going to be leading the charge over in futures. She will be updating everything inside of the futures channel on Discord. Aaron is also helping, and so is Mark and some of our other moderators. We just have to be mindful, moderators, that if we are spread out, like if we're all in one area, we need to make sure we're spread out, right? So we are still running all of the different training things that we have. So make sure we have somebody over there in the VIP Gold breakout rooms. Ange, of course, is going to be fully dedicated to just futures. So don't worry about Ange, you being all over the place. It's just futures for you from now on. I appreciate that. And everybody else, just make sure you're helping out. If I find that we're getting too strained or we don't have enough bodies, we will reevaluate the moderators we have and or add moderators to our staff to get what we need to make sure we continue to be the #1 stock market and futures education company in the country. It's now 9:28. We got about 2 minutes. Again, if you guys want to sign up for one of our memberships, right now we have the premium membership that will get you access to our Discord. Our premium area Discord is training starting every day at 8:45 to 4 p.m. Eastern. You're going to get all the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, and all the videos on demand. Otherwise, you guys can get the VIP. With the VIP, you guys will get daily masterclass training with me starting at 8 o'clock. The pre-market early access with our other millionaires and mentors starting at 4 a.m. Eastern. That is 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. training for VIP members. You're also going to get the VIP lounge. All the workshop classes are free and recorded. The VIP training videos, and of course, our TradingView indicators. You just have to have a subscription to TradingView, which is about $15 a month. If you have the VIP membership, you guys can then upgrade to the next tier, which is VIP Gold add-on. You're going to get all the mastermind classes for free, 1 hour of tech support where we can remote in if necessary. You're going to get weekend training every Saturday, and it's recorded. The VIP Gold Lounge access, VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support, the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, a brand new news service, and all the Zoom recordings are in the replay area for you. We also have the brand new live Apple chat where David is over there giving you a minute-by-minute play-by-play of what he's doing using the 2-minute EWO that I have designed and developed from being in the stock market for over 30 years. David has now made over $275,000 in profits in the last 2 years using this strategy, and now he is training others. If you guys are interested, again, VIP Gold. Maybe this afternoon, because we ran out of time with some technical difficulties. I know the bell's about to ring. We will come up with some sort of ridiculous, stupid, dope, crazy sale, and I'll announce it live. Everybody follow the rules, and let's kick some booty. Watching SPY pull here right at the open. SPY pulling at the open. It was up in the pre-market. This is everybody just selling off, right? So you can see people are selling off here at the open. See if this will continue to pull. Just making a couple of small trades. Tesla, of course, ran up in the pre-market. Everybody keep an eye on Tesla today. Tesla was a master blast today. Up over 14% in the pre-market. It's sitting now at 14.5%. We can see people are starting to take their profits on Tesla now. What goes up in the pre-market, typically at the open, will want to sell off. That is people collecting their money. SPY, I'm looking at it pulling down here to 578.85-ish, and then I'm going to look for a bounce possible. Right here, 578.85. That's where I'm looking to see if we're going to get a bounce. That is on SPY. ES futures are down as well. Apple is down. SPY starting to come down to that area that I was discussing. This is the 578.85. That is my gold level. Going to see if we're going to get a bounce here on SPY or if it's going to continue to pull. Apple, of course, is to the downside. 2-minute EWO is already in effect right at the open. SPY coming up on this critical support level right here, 578.85. If you get into something right here, make sure you have a very tight stop loss. This is a scalping idea only. Remember, everything discussed here is for training and education purposes only. American Dream Trading is not a financial, tax, or investment advisor. Make sure you guys are following all your rules, stops in place on everything. If you're new to trading, make sure you're paper simulating only. You're not using real money. So nice little bounce right there on SPY. I'll take it. That's a $300 trade off that bounce of SPY. See if we can get some more movement here. I am using turbo trading off of Webull. Fills aren't going to be great, but good enough for right now. Now I'm waiting to see if SPY is going to continue to push to the upside or if it's going to try to fall flat right back to where the close of day was yesterday. This is a nice key area, though, this 578.85. Loving that area. Might go a little smaller here. I want to have it come back down to a retest so I can pick it back up again. And I'm going to go in smaller. See if that'll run. Otherwise, if it breaks through 578.85, I'm going to look for it to go right back to where it closed previous day. Tesla made a rebound, double bottom here. Two nice long candle pushes to the upside at 242.65. 242.65 with support for Tesla. Getting a nice push to the upside now on Tesla. SPY again, starting to make a nice pot. There goes Tesla. Rocket ship on Tesla over there. Found support at 242.65. Guys watching Tesla? Yep. Making a beautiful move over there. SPY with a bounce. Looks like I got a bad fill on that, though. It was supposed to be 200. Broke even. Still waiting to see if SPY is going to bounce off this area. It has not made a nice strong move to the upside. That's why I've not gone in heavy and stayed there. Tesla right there. New high a day on Tesla. Congratulations, everybody over there on Tesla. I told you this morning that's going to be fighting for a 250 level. I told all VIP members this morning that. Doesn't mean it's going to get there today, but that's what the fight's going to be. The good fight, right? Everybody wants to see it at a whole half number. 250 would be really nice. So watch for the push on that. There goes SPY to the upside on 578.85. Did anybody get in on that trade?
I did.
I did.
Yes, sir.
I did.
Nice job.
I got in Tesla. I'm up $700.
Thank you. Nice job, Christina. Nice job. Tesla's now $1.50 away from where I called it this morning, and it was sitting at $2.40 this morning when I said it. You're now $1 away from target goal that I called this morning at 8 o'clock. Good job. It's almost like I've been doing this for 32 years. It's crazy. Crazy. Old timing, man. All right, let's see if we've got any runners over here on our hot stock picks. CCTG, wait for the break here of, what is this? I like it better here. 330. Wait for the break of 330 to the upside before you look at CCTG. Scanning. QS, now above VWAP. Trending nicely, 10 million volume. Giant float, though. It's not a low floater. See what that's going to do.
Google pulling hard to the downside.
Thank you. Google pulling to the downside. SPY consolidating. Apple has bounced up off of 228.62. Tesla, 249. You guys are starting to get up to critical level here on Tesla. That whole number at 250, right? That's That's going to be a big mental wall, I believe, for people, okay? I would love to see it break 250 and continue to run. That'd be great. SPY rejected off of this 9 EMA here. So if you guys are scalping, you notice this got pushed back down, right? Okay, good. Nicey nice. When I ask a question, feel free to open your mics and answer, and then close your mics back up. We're just trying to
Coach,
keep it. Thank you. Go.
hot stock click ANXU moving up.
Thank you. ANXU to the upside.
NVIDIA breaking double top chopsticks.
NXU.
NXU. Yes. Thank you. I see it. Yeah, NXU. Yep. Thank you. Yeah, as long as that stays above 78 cents, but it has to stay above 78 cents if you're looking at NXU. Yeah, NVIDIA is now above the 200. Just remember, you're going to be at a triple top the closer we get to this 141.80-ish. You see it up here? So everybody be cool. If we can break and hold above the 200, you got about a 50-cent move before you're going to start looking at really heavy resistance on NVIDIA, okay?
ESLQ was halted on halt time at 9:40:58.
Thank you. Tesla almost to target here. Nate, didn't I say that would want to push to 250?
Yeah, you did, Coach.
We're there.
You said it, Coach.
Yes, sir. It hit 249.79. We're 20 cents away from target goal.
That's right.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
It's glorious. Glorious.
I've been in it, so I'm hoping
Yes.
it'll get there.
Yes. 900 shares?
Oh, no, I got 300.
300. Nice job.
Yeah.
Good job. Let's look here. Apple, 2-minute EWO. You guys are just fighting above VWAP. It's finding resistance on that 21. Everybody over there, be careful. You're in good hands with David, though. I'm sure he's walking you through this whole thing. Love his face. And Eric's probably over there. Nice.
We're just feeling impatient, Coach.
Yes, great job. Tesla, 17%. Tesla, one of the largest days in Tesla history. Congratulations on everybody Tesla long here. I remember we called it back at a 105 when it was a $1.05 and the whole world was screaming Tesla was going to crash and burn. Dumbasses. 17%. Tesla continuing to run.
Coach, I love you, man.
Love your face. Don't listen to these little kids in suits. They're clueless. They have no idea, no experience.
Our retirement account loves you, Coach.
Yes. Great job.
AMD, huge pull.
Thank you. If you guys remember me a long time ago as well, I told you I loved SoFi and I hated that it was stuck at $7 forever. SoFi is now at $11. You guys remember me having that conversation? Yep. $11.
Yeah.
Yep.
I loved it.
But you were right.
Yep. MSTR, by the way, wow, what a payout on that. Oof. VIP members, your dividend payouts. Right? Woo, over $4 a share. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Beautiful, Clark.
Coach, check NXU.
I'm on it. NXU. Wow. NXU, everybody check it out. Making nice moves. What's the next level of resistance?
92 cents.
Thank you. Great call out. Let me take a peek. $1 make you holla.
Coach, my Tesla's feeling better.
Oh, I bet. Yeah.
No, she was right. 93 cents.
93
Still
cents.
throw $1 at you to make you holler.
Yeah. Gotcha. Thank you. Yeah.
You were right about Tesla. Look at that. It's 250. It doesn't want to go through it.
Is that where it's at? Now it could. It's
Yeah.
just that's
It
gonna
broke
be
it on the L2 and
Yeah,
and
it
then
keeps
he
pulling
went
back. It hit it and then it pulls
pull
back.
back.
It
Yep.
keeps pulls back. Now it's pulled back even more though.
I see it. Just remember that's just gonna be a mental wall.
tried.
Hopefully
Yeah.
hopefully it will break and run, but I need you to be aware, right, that is gonna be the mental wall.
I took my money and run.
Good job. Yeah, it hit 250.54 and now it's pulled back to 248.70. So hopefully everybody collected up there, right?
Got out of 250.
Oh my gosh. Good job. I would love to see it go beyond that, but I just know, right? Trading is a lot of them. Look at that 248.90 wall stacked. I just know that, right, where people want to sit, it's just a psychology thing. If we see it break 250 and run, get right back in that long. But until it breaks 250, which is a major gold level, I'm going to mark it. I don't touch that long until that thing is broke. You understand? I need you guys.
Roger.
Yep, I need you to hear me on this. Yeah, look at this. This is over
Roger,
a
Coach.
two. That's over a $2 pullback right now from the 250.54. We're at 248.35 now. You see this? Hopefully I saved all of
Yep, I
you.
can feel it.
Did I save
Coach,
it?
one more hot stock drug, DRUG is running.
Thank you. Did I
Saved me,
save everybody's
Coach.
soul? Good. Good job. Right here, it is finding support on this 9 at 248.62.
2,400 bucks on that, Coach.
Nice job. So right here, if I was scalping Tesla now off the 9, my stop would be right here at 248 to see if this will push back off this 9. But I'd be leery and I would give this just a little bit of buffer right here, okay? But this is where, if I was scalping this is where I'd be scalping it long with a tight stop. And then as it moved up, move my stop up to protect. Now, right there, boom. Now you're in a free trade. I'd move my stop up. Stop would be at 248.90. Look at that. And now everybody would be in the money right now. Christina, did that call out look familiar? Bet your ass it
I'm
did.
sorry, what?
Did that call out look familiar from our
Oh, yeah.
one-on-one?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Bet your ass it did.
Bet your ass it did.
Who just made money off of that? That reject off
Coach.
the 9. Move your stop up.
Fucking love this part of the trade. I love this.
Yep. Love it. Nice job, everybody.
Coach, looking at the 15-minute on the SPY.
Yeah, to the downside. Yeah. SPY here, still taking a big dump. And I'm missing it while I'm making sure you all got paid. 578.85 was the move, yes? Son of a gun, I missed that. Please
And
tell
your
me.
Qs are below your pre-market setup on the Q.
Please tell me somebody got in on that break of 578.85. I know I missed it from training. Damn it.
I got
On the Q.
Also caught the apple pull too.
Nice job.
Coach, I think I made a mistake in my straddle on Tesla. I did get out because of that 250. I meant 2,800 on the call side. I'm still in the put side at 190 because it's so down.
I got you. Nice. Hopefully you guys got in on this break of 578.85 on SPY to the downside.
Still in it, and my apple puts too flushing.
Nice job. Good job. This is too squirrely right here. This needs to make a move. Good job. If I would have got in on that 578.85, be in a much better position than having it now dink around in that area. But that was the trade, baby. See what it's going to do. See if it's going to sit down there. Needs to stay below that 579.
Apple's approaching a double bottom.
Thank you.
Not
Again.
financial, coach, but I'm thinking if the SPY breaks its double bottom like it did, maybe the Qs will also.
Yeah, we'll see what's going to happen here.
And NVIDIA broke a double bottom.
Yep,
Tesla
yep.
just broke 250.
Did it? Okay. You guys already know what to do if it breaks and holds long, yes?
We're waiting for the hole right now.
That's right. Yeah, SPY right here on this big 578.59. This is from earlier right here. You guys can see this.
Yeah, I sold it.
Yep. Nice job. Tiny windows off those scalps. There goes Tesla. Let me look at it. Yep, Tesla, long as that breaks and holds at 250 and stays up, man, that's hammer time again, right? Talk to me. You know what to do.
Go ahead and have
Move your stops up. Remember, 250 is going to be a lot. We don't know if it's going to come back down here, retest this thing.
I'm scared.
Yep, 250. There's going to be a lot of action here.
Apple's officially in the double bottom.
Oh, yep, I see it. Apple's conking out here. The 2-minute EWO riders, you guys are golden now. You got a lot of extra room, even on the bounce back up. Beautiful. I know David's taking full advantage of that. By the way, didn't David make over like $2,500 yesterday in the Apple chat? For crying out loud, David.
Yes, sir. Still had some runners when we got that big hit.
What up?
In I think it was like 6 minutes while we were watching it. It went over like $1,200 on my 5 runners.
That's awesome.
My stop to the downside.
2-minute strategy.
Yeah, we broke double bottom, so it's extra bearish.
Yeah, absolutely.
Apple.
Yep, absolutely. Apple 2-minute EWO riders, right? As long as we stay down here below this. I'd be watching that 9. I mean, this thing is still beautiful.
Coach, Sox was a resistance at 33.62.
All right, thank you.
I'm sorry, support.
Thank you. Tesla up here again. Please be mindful. Damn it, be mindful of this 250. I cannot stress this enough. And I know some of you are going to get nuts. Yeah.
I got stopped out in the Apple game, but 8.85% on account.
Holy crap. Good job.
Baby.
Jeez, oh, Pete.
Yeah.
Woo.
Time to go to work.
Cool.
Time to go to work. Have a good day.
Peace out. I'll be listening.
All right, man. Nice job. Good job. Chris getting it done. Tesla here. Again, respecting this 9. I need you guys to see this. You see how this is trailing with it? Look, it's perfect. Everybody sees this trend line?
You just bought 50 off the 9.
Yep. I mean, it is riding it beautifully. 250. This is everything today on Tesla. How about yesterday when we called SPY at the top? $10,000 trade. You guys saw us do it live, and it crashed out to all-time 1% low on SPY, and we nailed the top. Beautiful. That trade was redonkulous. One of the best trades ever in history.
Tesla new high.
Because SPY had one of the worst days it's ever had in history. It was great. You all got it. Look at, here goes Tesla again, 250. I'm telling you, gang. This is a huge spot, right? Look at this thing. It's just fighting right here. Don't forget, mentorship today. If you guys are in that program, if you're not, get your butts over there. Mentorship program today from 11 to noon with me. 1 hour. It's like having a one-on-one with me. Get over there. You want to take your trading to the next level? You want to know everything there is to know about what you need exactly right now? Get over there. Tesla not holding the 9 now. Look at this. Very nice. Watching Tesla. Just got pushed off the 21. Tesla's starting to come down. I'm telling you, man, 250. Isn't that funny how I said that at 8 o'clock this morning, that 250 would be a big deal, right?
Talking to me the whole time?
Isn't that crazy? That was at 8 o'clock this morning. Remember?
I don't know.
You called it, coach.
Yep. It wasn't as great as that one call out I had years ago where where it went $90 and I told you when it was $90 down exactly where it was going to finish and it was off by like 3 cents. That was awesome. I'm not going to lie. That was incredible. Probably never be able to have another moment like that, but damn. Wish we would have had that all on video. Oh my, well, we had it all recorded. We just never made a video of it.
Coach,
Yep.
can you check TC? It's halted up, please.
What's the ticker? TC?
TC, yes, please.
I see it.
Oh my God, Tesla.
Yep. 19 million volume, float 1.5. Average true range 16. I don't see a ton of volume in that yet, but I mean, it is moving up nicely. So on this one, support is sitting around 2438. See it?
Yes.
So that's what I'd be watching for. And of course, you got VWAP. It is sitting right there, but that's that you're looking at. As long as it holds above that VWAP level, you're all right.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Not financial tax or investment advice. You hear how I pull that in there, Ange?
Plus, Coach, there's tons of buy orders right where it's sitting at and almost no sell on that TC. So
Yep.
may shoot up once it unhalts.
Look at SoFi respecting the 9 all the way up. Look how perfect SoFi's trending up. You guys seeing this thing? Holy crap. Looks like ES Futures found support at 58.4250. ES Futures finding support over there. SPY, same thing, found support at the double bottom, 57862. Did anybody hammer that?
Yes.
Good job. Making a
Nuni,
nice.
did you have on halt for that?
Hold on hold time for TC, it's 9:56:15.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Tesla trying to break 250.
I see it. It's going to be a constant battle, right? It's a battle royale. SPY up here fighting VWAP now. We'll see if it's going to break through. We've got 2 mics open. I'd be extra cautious. Yep, Dean and Valhalla. If those mics stay open, the moderators are all over them. I'd be real careful.
Just gonna say, our earnings report for SoFi is on Tuesday.
Thank you. Appreciate that. SPY sitting right here on VWAP. See what it wants to do. But if you guys look at our 2-minute EWO indicators, flipping the screen. If you're a VIP member, you have such a cheat sheet. It's not even funny. Right here, gang. Free members, I know you guys can't see it. Look at this. You guys see this green level right here? This is support. You all got to see it if you're a VIP member, right? Okay, good.
I saw it, Coach.
Yes. It's beautiful. SPY still sitting here at VWAP. It did get pushed up from support. Mark, you got your hand up, go.
Quick note at shift change at 10 a.m., which is in 3.5 minutes. New home sales data comes out. Be careful.
Ooh.
Coach, TC unhalted. I'm about $150.
Oh, nice
unhalted
job.
way up.
Yeah. TC unhalted to the upside. TC is unhalted to the upside. What's the next level of resistance?
It's like big ones at 3.9, 39.
3.9. Okay.
This thing is moving and is not kicking me out yet. I have a trailing stop in.
Yep. Very nice. Very nice.
$260 now.
Yes. Very nice.
IWM new high.
IWM new
Is that still
high.
paid?
As soon as I say that, it majorly pulls back.
Yep.
260.
260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. 260. Imagine being in my seat every day.
Thanks, Noonie,
Since
for
I
that
got
call
out
out. This
too
is awesome.
soon yesterday and I missed $1,000 on the cube puts, but your 2-minute strategy tells me to just hang in there.
Yes, yes. TC continuing to run.
Yes, look at this bad boy. Up
Good.
300, 400 now.
There you go. Move that stop and or trailing stop. Good job. Nice call out on that, Noonie. How about
Very much, dude.
Yes. How about MSTR running all day? How about Tesla pulling back off a 250 again? Look at Tesla again. You were all told 250 at 8 o'clock in the morning. I cannot stress that enough. That is what 30 years does, right?
On the 2 minutes to shift change.
Thank you. 2 minutes till the 10 o'clock volume comes in. By the way, if you guys are new, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I have been trading in the stock market for over 30 years. Welcome. I have trained now over 1 million people. We are one of the largest and fastest stock market education companies in the country. Thank you for being here. All I ask that while you were watching, do me a favor, click that subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. If you're over on Twitch, feel free to use that Amazon Prime account if you want. It's absolutely free for you to subscribe. And if you're watching on everything else, just make sure you click that follow. TikTok, if we get up to 50,000 likes or 300 concurrent viewers, we will do a giveaway today to one of you. So make sure you're watching, click share, follow. I appreciate you. Karina, good morning, says, I am new here. Welcome. We trade stocks, options, and futures here. This is not a cheesy call-out group where they have no idea what the hell they are doing. This is a legitimate training and education system that we are using. We are here live every day from 9 to 11. We have futures live every day from 2 to 4 p.m. Then every day from 5 to 6:30 or 7, we have live aftermarket. We have something for everybody all the damn time. Make sure you guys head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Sign up for our free Discord. And no, it's not like the little kids that you guys see at 3 a.m. trying to convince you to get into their Discord, and they have absolutely nothing over there. We have more training and education than anybody in the country. We train longer. We have open microphones. Believe it or not, you guys can actually ask questions. Are you serious? I am dead serious.
Shift change.
Shift change now. Thank you. Volume's going to start coming in the market. Sorry, go.
I was going to say TC pulled back. Trailing stop kicked me out 40% on that.
Nice job.
New home
Good
sales
job.
are up. New home sales are up.
Okay.
They must not be afraid of the interest rates.
There you go.
How'd you do, Noonie?
$50.
Nice
Small
job.
amount.
Nice job.
Very nice.
Tesla right here. See if it'll respect this 21 around 248.90. If not, we're going to get a pullback down here to VWAP. Again, 250 is everything for Tesla. Watching the entire market here.
TSLL, Coach.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
For TSLL, what's the number?
I have no
It's
idea.
250 for Tesla.
I have no idea. I didn't research it. It would be way off. Let's see. TSLL, if 250 is the magic number for you guys, it looks like it's approximately 1210. Does that look like about right? Because I'm just guessing here. Looks like about 12.
I had 1207 marked.
1207. Yep, that sounds right. There you go.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, it's 1210 on the L2, Coach.
Is it? Okay, thank you. So around that area. Nice. I already see the profits and losses are pouring in. People are already making a bunch of money. Make sure every day you guys are posting over there. It lets me know how everybody's doing. Tesla right here. This is where we should get a bounce of this 248.90. If it's going to bounce, right here is the level. See it? Tesla's going to bounce. It's going to be right here, 248.90-ish. Breaks through that. We're coming to VWAP. Yep. Nice little move. Nice little move right there. See if that can stay up. There she blows. Looking for a little bit more range on that. I got in a little late because I'm over here talking instead of trading. Boy, that got pushed. That got shoved right down right there. Look at that. Did you guys see? Did you see that? Wow.
Yeah.
That got shoved down hardcore, didn't it?
Heavy.
Yeah, look at that. Woo. That wick right there told me, Coach, you better watch out.
Coach, EFSH halted up.
All right, thank you. Tesla 248.90. Oh boy, and now this thing's chopping the other way. So Tesla, so this 248.90, which technically is 249, major area here. There it goes, flushing.
Sorry, Coach, I didn't catch Nooney's next halt.
EFSH.
Give it a month.
There we go. There goes that Tesla flush. There it is. I said if it broke 248.90, I said all the way to VWAP. Yes? Boom, I'll take it. That's a $700 trade. If you listen to the sound of my voice, everybody made money on that trade. Yes?
Yes.
You bet your asses you did.
Both cheeks.
Yes. Nice job. I only caught it for 700, but I'll take it. Good job. Oh boy. Tesla, major level right here. Again, I'm going to hammer this.
Coach, would you hammer it to the 200 or to the 55?
Calls on support. It's on support with a tight stop loss.
The 1 minute, yeah.
With a tight stop loss. Why is that saying that?
Well, I'm thinking about buying a put there. I'm thinking it's heavy, so you're gonna calls on support.
That is correct. Until it shows me otherwise. Yeah, it's
Apple double top.
Yeah, it's very heavy here, partner.
Yeah, something about buying
I'm having a hard
all the way
time.
down to the 200.
It's very heavy here, but follow my rules, right? Not your rules.
Copy.
Excuse me, Spy. Tested your 580, Coach. Didn't bounce some.
Thank you. I'm going to put this stop in here. Yeah, it's super.
SMCI.
Thank you. It's super heavy here. If this flips the script, then I will flip with it, right?
Straddle, Coach. Maybe a good idea.
Yep, straddle's always a great idea in key critical areas. You bet your ass. Like here, look, I've got a really tight stop into this spot. Why? Because if it does break through, it's going to knife drop. Right? We got an open mic, future trader. Come on now. Look at this, riding it.
Did you hear me?
Yep, quick, go.
I just made 200 on the S&P futures.
Oh, yes, on ES?
Yes.
Yes, great job.
EFSH unhalted way up.
Thank you.
Moving up beautifully.
Nice job.
Other hot stock that Noonie called out TC is a new high and moving up as well.
Thank you. Still sitting here on Tesla. There it goes. There she blows. Oh yeah, look at that. See if it's fighting on the 9.
Coach, I waited till 10 o'clock to make this announcement. 3,000 socks,
Nice job.
2,100 profit with the VIP pre-market.
Yes, nice job. Right there was your Tesla pop off of VWAP. Did everybody see that? That was it. I don't know if she's going to hold.
I followed your rules because you made $100.
Nice job. I should have took it right there. Damn it. That was the move. Now I'm looking at puts because it got heavy and got rejected off the 9. See it? I still have to wait. But damn it, it went green. I should have took the trade. I was trying to listen. One of our members was talking. I didn't want to interrupt. There it goes. See if we can get this to push down now. Rejected off the 9. Remember to have tight stops if you guys are playing around with Tesla, because that thing will, because there's so much volume, can be extremely volatile, right? I don't want anybody to get their souls wrecked.
Just listening to you, Coach, TSL, how people could have a lot of fun with small accounts.
Absolutely. Tesla here riding VWAP. Still has not broken, held through to the downside, but it's trying. So we had the bounce off of VWAP, calls on support. We got paid, hit the 21 rejected. Now I'm down here into puts. Why? We're below VWAP. Now we're making money on the other side, right?
I followed all 3, Coach. You got all 3. Thank you.
Yep. Ping pong, baby.
Guys,
Coach,
be careful with EFSH.
Thank
Do we
you.
ignore the 55, Coach?
I'm sorry?
Do we ignore the 55?
I don't even have it on my screen.
Okay.
It's up to you guys. If you want to use it, go ahead. Here we go. Come on, Tesla. Pull. Pull. Stay below that VWAP right there and give us a nice gamma candle. Come on. I'm getting greedy. Let's go. I want a bigger pull than that. Careful you don't get too greedy with Tesla today, man. She could bounce hard either way, right? Oh, come on. 247 support. It's really close to support. Here we go. Oh, I'll take it right there. Boom, $400 trade. Sitting at support. It's sitting at support now. I saw it on the L2. Be careful right here. Look at that. Coach, why?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Do you believe in magic? Yeah, you do. Huh? Who's not entertained? Huh? Look at that.
Coach, EFSH halted second time.
Thank you. Good call out.
Oh, that's way up too. Yes.
Look at that. Didn't I say right there with this Tesla support? Oh, my. Oh, my. Huh? Isn't that what I said?
That's what you said, Coach. Heck yeah.
Are you not entertained? Is this not why you were here?
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Woo!
Entertained every day, baby.
Damn it. Feels good. As one of my old favorite movies would say, hail to the king, baby. Name that movie.
New Jack City.
Army of Darkness.
Army of Darkness.
Army of Darkness. Thank you. Give me some.
Thanks, Coach. I needed this day. I'm up $1,500,
Yes,
$1,600 actually.
yes.
So,
Yep,
and I'm just about done for the day. I'll be done and gonna go do some things of my own today.
Nice
for a
job.
change.
Oh, good for you. Good for
Oh
you.
no! God,
away-
I need it so bad.
Stay away.
Yeah.
Stay away from the extra Long Island iced teas. There goes Tesla moving up
sounds good.
nicely. Tesla moving up nicely on that support level. We called it exactly to the penny. 247.13. All the way back up now to 238 or 248.40. $1.50 move right there. We called out bounce on support. Hopefully I saved all of you who are thinking, oh, Tesla's going to go to 0 now. Wrong. Did you guys catch it? Yes. Like Pokemon, you got to catch them all, right? Look at this. That's a beauty. She's a beauty.
Coach, is SPY on resistance now or support?
Neither.
Okay.
I'm looking.
It's trying to break VWAP.
Yep.
Oh, breaking.
So VWAP will end up being now support since it came through. Remember, we called the bounce, though, at 578.59. You're still making the long trade off of 578.59, right? This was called here for the bounce. You're still in this trade. Josh, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Morning, Coach. Can you look at Apple?
Sure. There's nothing I would love to look at more. You guys are on a critical resistance level at 230.16.
Okay, because I was seeing the 2-minute flashing. But yeah, I saw that we're gonna hit a wall if we get into it.
Yep, 213.16. So even though your 2-minute EWO is triggering, that's a no-go. Is that a go, no go? That's a no-go.
That's a no bueno.
Yep, that's a no
Okay.
bueno. Yep.
Second bar is not larger than the first.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. Yep.
I
Thank
already
you.
took 2 licks on it this morning, so I'm just waiting patiently now.
No, yeah, exactly. Look at it, Mark. All three of those bars are lower than each other. Look. Every one of them stair-stepping down. That is the wrong way. All the wrong stuff. Tesla.
On hold time.
Go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, go.
On hold time for EFSH 101537.
Thank you. Tesla still on that support bounce at 247.13. Anybody catch that? You know, when I said support is right here.
Yes, Coach.
Thank you.
Yep. I did. I got it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got it.
Thank you. That's so nice. Oh, what do we got over here? SPY pulling back. Let's take a peek. Yes, it is. SPY's trying to come back home. And where would that be? 57859. It's trying. Well, here, I'll help you. Let me help you into that quicksand real quick. Here, quick, take my hand, SPY. Whoops, my bad. My bad. Let me help you out. Let me put my foot right on your face and help you down that hole. Tappy tap. Let me help you out. It's getting all dark in here. It's getting dark.
EFSH unhalted, way up again.
Oh, crap. EFSH.
Yeah.
Still paying the bills.
Bet you're all your ass cheeks, Daddy.
All the ass cheeks. EFSH. Where's the next level of resistance? Now?
Just came at 390, but they sold it.
Oh, did it? Okay, so then let's check the L2s. You got one of 423, 47, and 73. So I don't really see any walls here.
Not any big ones.
Nope.
SPY went down.
Oh, my.
There she goes. Look at it.
Yeah, I like it. I like it like I like it. Let's see. Still looking. Just baby walls over there. There she goes. I'll take it. That is $600 I just made off that trade. I'll take it. It was at 9, just for the record. It was $939 when I clicked sell, but I only made $600, so I'm calling bullshit on that whole trade. I know. That was 5,000 shares. Total trade time was 12 seconds. See it?
Surprised you're able to get in and out that quick with that many shares because the L2 doesn't look very populated.
Well, I know it was because if you look at the actual volume, see how fast it's ticking? That's how I knew I could get into it. It's doing.
I gotcha.
Yeah, it's doing. It's flying. Look at it. 7.9, 7.91, 7.92, 7.93, 7.94. It's flying.
Doesn't seem like it doesn't seem like the L2 is showing that much volume.
It's not. Yeah, it's not. Because remember, the L2 doesn't show. It shows less than 1% of what's really going on.
5 to 7 candle rule on this stock.
Ooh, good call. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Be careful. Yep, 5 to 7. We're getting really close. Yeah, Gladiator 2, I think we're seeing it this weekend, if I remember correctly. Says Mr. Woodsy over there. Noonie, go ahead. You got your hand up. Go.
Coach, I'm up $193 trading from the hotel, and I'm done. I don't want to give back.
Good job.
Thank you so much for everything.
Great job.
Thank you, Noonie, for your call-outs. These are awesome today.
And Noonie, by the way, finding success from going in with smaller position sizes and following the rules. What do you know, right, Noonie?
No red day in this month.
Did you guys
Everything
catch
is
that?
green.
Is that your first time doing that, Noonie? That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. No red day.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Good for you. Enjoy your day. It's funny, isn't it?
You're awesome, Noonie. I remember when you first started. You're awesome.
Isn't it funny
Thank
that
you so much. Thank you, guys.
just those couple of tweaks? By the way, look at that mark. It hit 5 candles and pulled back. Excellent call on that. Isn't that crazy though, right? Just making a couple of tweaks. Smaller position size. Follow the rules, right? We just need to follow some of the basic stuff. You guys just keep getting in your own way, right? Good job.
Yes,
I feel like sorry. I feel like VIP Gold, Coach, was the final couple tweaks that I needed, and sometimes it's hard to explain. It just is what it is.
It is. Yep. I appreciate that. Thank you. Look at that pullback. Nailed it, Mark. Exactly 5 candles. Remember, the 5 to 7 candle rule on the 1 minute is on average. It will run up from 5 to 7 candles and then pull back. Guess what it did on its 6th candle? Super hammer pullback and leading into the 7th candle, knife drop. All of you were saved. Mark, great call out.
That's a big.
Again.
Mark will help me.
Listen, again, follow the rules. Everything we have in place in here is to help you, right? All of it. You guys, what happens is you'll follow some of them, the ones that are easy and or apply to what you want to do, and then you won't follow the rest. Am I right? You know I know I'm right on that. I'll take that to the bank.
You can't cherry pick the rules.
Yeah, you can't. It's kind of like cherry picking
all
the
right.
EWO. You can't cherry pick the 2-minute EWO, right? If you do, the one that you left behind, the one that you're like, well, I'm not getting to that one, to the moon, right? Like, damn it.
Coach, what do you think of AMD at the moment?
Let's take a peek. I like that I had this nice drive to the upside. Let me get a trend line here just so I can see what it was doing. Overall, the downside off the open, but it did drive up in the pre-market, which caused this thing to collapse. Let's take a peek. Let's go this side. Oh, yeah. As soon as we made this transition, if you guys look at this, this is where it started peaking upside. Now, this one, you're at an easy level. You're either going to break VWAP, go long with a tight stop below. Otherwise, you're just going to sit here and wait a minute, right? So this is an easy spot now. But I want you guys to look at these trend lines, right? You saw it right here. I'm going to put this so you guys can see it a little brighter. Let me increase the size. There you go.
I was my bias was a reversal level right now, sitting at VWAP. So I was just wanted to see your point of view.
Right. But remember, what's the rule, everybody? What is the rule on resistance? puts, right?
Sell.
Yeah.
Put resistance.
Yep. So if we look at this, though, it already did it. We drove up, puts on resistance. We drove down, we're still in that put, right? It's the same. Puts on resistance, calls on support. Right here was puts. You guys see it? This is where it touched. Okay? This is where it would have scared a bunch of you. It would have barely broke through. You're like, oh no. And wrong. It's still to the downside. We don't get to go long with this until it breaks and holds what?
VWAP.
That's right.
VWAP.
That is correct. Okay. So what'll happen if it was a reverse to break through? Touch, 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 break, bang, ding, 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 ding. Eventually break through. Watch for a pullback to retest. So it usually will pop just like it did right here, by the way. Pops through, comes back for a retest. If it pops through, comes back for a retest, and stays up, long it, right? If it pops through, comes back for a retest, breaks through, that's bearish, short it. Where do I put my stops, coach? If I'm longing it on the break of VWAP, my stop is just below it. If I am going to short it below VWAP, my stop is going to be just above it. That way your risk is here. My risk is here. My reward is here and here. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You got it. Moderators, there is your, that had a beginning, an end for your entire.
Already wrote it down,
Yep,
Coach.
there is your, just now all that is, because that is 1 minute, that is your YouTube short. And now you need to come up with a flashy title. Don't say a stock name, so it usually doesn't
It was
matter.
more like 3 minutes, but okay.
Yep. That could, was it that long? Wow. All right. If it was, that would, it's kind of,
Yep.
yeah.
It's all right. We could chop it down.
All right. Just make sure the story has the hook, then turns into the beginning, middle, and the end of the story.
Can I leave a cuss word in one? Because it's really cool.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Just as long as it ain't an F-bomb. I want no F-bombs in our videos.
Ah, damn it.
Nope, can't have it.
Oh, man. Okay.
Can't do it. Got kids watching the programs.
Got you.
It's a family show, Dawn. Put some money in the jar just for thinking it.
The thing is, it's our family, so it's a family show. Our family is kind of warped.
Yeah,
you know, so.
this is a dysfunctional, perfect family, that's for sure.
Well, how'd Dawn make 75,000 this year on cursed tip jars?
I know it, right?
Tesla approaching 250 again.
Oh, snap. Now, right here, AMD, right? You guys are on a break and hold to the upside with your stop to the downside, yes? Right? So we're going to keep that stop. Probably, if I'm looking at a stop here, be just below this 21. It gives you a little bit of room on VWAP, a little bit to touch in here. So my stop would be around 145.27 once you are clear for takeoff. Remember, keep them tight. Yep, watching Tesla, telling you the close. It got to 249.88 and pulled back. See it? 249.88 and pulled back. It did the same thing right here. This exact same thing here and now here. See it? Okay, good.
Microsoft and the Qs took it back.
Master training right there again. You guys see it, right? And since we all know we don't wait till 250, right? Because we want to be professional traders. Professional traders don't wait for 250. We get in right here or get out depending on what you're in early, right? That everybody in the room says.
Si, senor.
Yes.
Right.
Thank you. Good job. Let the rookies wait for the last penny and all that crap. We don't need that. We need to make good executed trades. If this falls below this 21 or this previous level that I have, which is a major level at 248.90, what could possibly be a good trade? Talk to
Puts.
Thank you.
Puts.
Thank you. If and only if it braked and held down there, if it broke and held down there, only if it did that, because it has not yet, where would my stop go?
Just above.
Thank you. Now we're cooking with gas.
Where's that? Yeah, guy.
Yes, we're getting it done now. So what
It's
did
just
coach?
perfect on the 2
What
minute
did
SPY,
coach?
coach. Thank you
What
so
did?
much for your training.
You're welcome. What did coach just set up for here? Did I get in late? I called it early, and did I get in late while I called it early?
Did you do that?
Well, I'm in it, but the good thing
So you
is
set yourself up.
yeah, I set all you guys up so that I could fail.
Yeah.
Jeez,
Sorry.
Pete's. It's all right. 248.90 is my mental stop. There we go. There's the payday. Yep, I'll take it. Only made $135. That's a bullshit trade. It was supposed to be 300, but do you guys see how we executed that trade perfectly and everybody made money? Go ahead, everybody, open your mics.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yippers.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this push here. Look at that. Yep. Look at that push. You guys see that wick? Look at that wick.
I just got that. Thank you.
Yeah, look at that. That's the redonkulous wick, right? Gosh, what did I pay for these? I must have paid a nasty gamma premium. Urgh. Oh, is it going to reject this 9? Yep. I paid a premium off the gamma candle, rejecting the 9. 248.90 is resistance, everybody. Still, 248.90. You got to respect that area, right? Now, off of this candle, I went long. I just got a bad fill. That's okay. So I went long off that push. This told me all these buyers are sitting right in here, and I want to be above the level we already know, which is 248.90, yes?
Yes.
248.90. We already know it. There it goes. There we go. That's a profitable trade. Yeah, baby. Get up there. Ride that donkey. Go. There it is. Coach, you son of a coach. There's another $240. Coach, come on. Coach. Oh, my. Yeah. You guys are too kind. Too kind. Stop. It. Stop. You guys are going to make the old man blush. Stop. Stop. Stop what you're saying. Stop it. Goodness gracious. Oh, I love my job. Did anybody make any money on that move?
Yep, coach.
Thank you.
I did the same thing.
Thank you.
I came in for the push. I only made $20, but I made plenty on it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice job. It's nice though, right? It's more about, listen, gang, it's more about knowing than it is making the money. I'm telling you, because if you can duplicate what I'm talking about and you're able to do this forever, right? This is where change happens. I promise you this, though. Nobody else on the internet's showing you this. Nobody. My favorite thing is when the haters are like, "Oh, you can't make any money day trading." Really? What are we up to? Over $130 million so far in profits from day trading and the single same day events? Yeah, I guess you're right, buddy. I guess you're right. That's still my favorite. If you know what you're doing, execute it well, stick to the plan and follow the rules, you'd be surprised what you can do day trading. Ask Nate. He's over $10 million. Spent here 2 years. Started with a $500 account. Never traded a day in his life. You understand? Karina, what's your question about taxes? Mark, got your hand up. Go.
EFSH. 5 to 7 candle rule also applies going down, not only up.
Yes.
Perfect example there.
Damn it, I was typing it in wrong. Hold on. Yep, absolutely. Good job over there. And you can see it bounced off the 21.
Yep, it was 6 candles and bounced back up.
Yep. It's crazy how that works. You guys remember me telling you that a long time ago? I bet you half of you thought I was full of shit.
Yeah, we just tend to think upward green. We don't think about the down on the red.
Yeah,
It works
yeah.
both ways.
I just think sometimes when I say this stuff, like a 5 to 7 candle, a 1 minute candle rule, 15-minute candle rule, you guys got, I'm sure when I first started talking about it, you're like, what are you saying, old man?
I don't appreciate you sharing that, Mark. I was trying to keep that to myself.
Yeah. There you go. Look at Apple. Okay, Apple, real quick on that 2 minute. Remember we were talking about this earlier? And we said don't go long on that 2 minute until it breaks that 230.16, right? So now you're back on a single 2 minute EWO. It is not flagged to get in it yet, but if it stays above 230.16, and then you get that next bar down there for the indicator to be higher than the previous, you're to the upside. Now watching 230.73, which is the 200 MA, but you'll have the range moving from 230.20 to 73.50 move on Apple there, right? Okay, good. Look at Tesla. Yeah, baby. 248.90. Look at this perfectly. By the way, we executed this perfectly, right? We saw it push down. Here was your put. I saw this candle right here. I told you this was the long. Drove it all the way up. Came back down, retested this 21. As you all know, that is support. Driving it up. Everybody knows the closer you get to 250, which is now, you get out. Look at right there. What did it do to the exact penny again? We just went through this, everybody. Talk to me.
Boom, it went down.
It didn't hit it perfectly again.
Perfectly again.
Yep.
Exactly. Now it's trying to go up again, and it's going to go a little, and it's going to hit, go down.
And it's ping pong, right?
Yeah, until it breaks. It's just ding, ding, ding.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we can constantly make money off this. Up, down,
Yeah.
up, down, up, down, up,
I mean, you
down.
can do one contract and make $20 each way. Boom, boom,
For
boom.
sure.
You
Or
know?
you guys could be doing, TSLL shares. Like what? There's always a way, right? Why the 250? Great question. The reason I called $250 when it was sitting at $240 at 8 a.m. this morning is because it is a natural number for the human being to stop at. There was no science behind it. It is a natural number where the human being is going to want to see it. 250, 3, 350, 4, 450, 5 would be huge. 1,000 would be huge. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is huge. 100 is bigger. You go from a double to a triple digit, right? We have to have the psychology of traders, right?
That's why Kmart did the rollback 99 cents because it makes you feel like it's a dollar less, right?
That is correct. That is 1,000,000%. Yeah, people think 99 cents is better than the whole number, right? Yeah, it's all of this stuff.
All right, Coach, I'm gone.
All right, partner. How'd you do today? Did you do all right?
I struggled today. I made $3,200, but
Oh no, only $3,200 today. What a
Yeah,
bummer.
I
What
struggled.
a drag.
Wait, you made that Tesla money?
Goodness gracious.
Yeah, but still, I struggle.
Good job,
Well,
Nate. That's
good
Nate
job.
the Great, by the way, one of our moderators. Nate the Great. Fully retired, by the way. Over $10 million in profit since being here. Made 32.
200, that's not even worth getting out of bed.
Yeah, Nate.
I know.
Nate.
Coach, I'm up $185,177 for the month.
Did you guys catch that? $185,000 this month.
Yeah, that sucks.
Jesus, that's man. Is
Slacker.
that why are you even getting out of bed, man? It ain't even worth
I
it.
don't know. I don't know what the hell's
Slacker.
going on.
I'm calling bullshit on this whole American dream trading. You know what, Nate? They
Oh.
were right. You can't make any money day trading. I would just shut it down. Everybody, all the haters were right. It's all bullshit. Don't do it.
Especially on shares.
Yep.
None. You can't make a dime.
Nope. You can't make any money on shares. So don't do it. You can't make any money on options or futures. And you sure the hell can't make any money day trading, right?
That's right. That's what they say.
Nice job. Go enjoy your day, my friend, and thank you for helping everybody out.
All righty. Talk to y'all in the morning.
All right, partner. Appreciate you. That's
DJT
Nate the Great.
full bottom.
Nate the Great getting it done. By the way, Tesla, if this breaks through that 249.80, right, we could have some fireworks moving up to 250. But I'm telling you, not until. Yes. By the way, we did not run any super amazing, crazy, dope fire sales today. I had some technical difficulties. My entire system decided to crash. So what we'll do is I've got 20 minutes. Somebody give me a sale that will only last until I leave in about 10 minutes. Super sale. I'm listening.
6 month BOGO.
On which product?
You pick.
All products done. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Bruno's like, son of a. It's funny. Bruno was writing down the list of all of the sales that we've had. There's like 30 of them on there. So right now, for the next 10 minutes, buy any membership 6 months, get 6 months free. Any membership 6 months, 6 months free. Tesla right here, $250. You only have till I leave though, which is going to be about $10.50 because I have a mentorship. Oh my gosh. Could you imagine if you bought 6 months of mentorship for that?
Coach, I can't believe you did that. That's a gift. That's amazing.
Well, I had to
Oh my
have
God.
something, and it was a short window, so I don't have to give away too much for 10 minutes, right?
Holy shit.
6
Man,
months.
type fast, folks.
Yeah. Buy 6 months, get 6 months free right now. Do it. Do it now. If not, forever hold your peace. Don't ask later because you're not getting it. When I leave at around 10:50, sale is over. All right, Tesla back here, pushing that 250 again. Listen, I told you it got rejected once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times till it broke. That got rejected 10 times until that decided to break.
Excuse me, Coach.
Talk to me.
MU possible double top.
All right, thank you. Goes Tesla, breaking and holding that 250, needs to stay up there. Tesla breaking and holding 250, trying to stay. It's fighting. It's putting up a good fight at 250. Can it stay? Can it stay?
It would fight. It would fight after I leave.
Right. Can it stay at 250? Can it? Nope. Crash. Nope. Staying out. Damn it. It's trying. That was a nice candle there, though. That was a beautiful candle up there. Oh, boy. It is fighting to fit. Look at this. Yikes. It's fighting. Freddie, go.
I'm feeling that Tesla's running a 2-minute EWO. Never broke below VWAP on 2 minute.
Yeah, that's great. So you're just rich as hell now. Congratulations. Freddie's going to buy a new life. $250 up here. Boy, it is dancing with the devil at 250 though, am I right? $250. This is way up here in the clouds. 10:42. I got 8 minutes before I have to leave. Take advantage of that super sale. 250. I'm going to let this breathe for a minute up here. John, go.
Hey, Coach, I was just wanting to say every time I hear someone try to say that there's no money in day trading, you know, they are doing such a disservice to themselves and everybody that is out there.
I agree.
I am freaking living proof. I'm averaging $75 a day and I'm starting with $300 on board, making one trade a day. And there is absolutely no way that they can say, you can't make money day trading.
I love
I've
that.
done it every day. It's idiotic when I hear that. They need to shut up and start listening to you and get themselves right.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I agree. Every time I hear it, I'm just cringe. Like, I hope nobody's listening to these little kids, right? The little kids of TikTok. Appreciate you. Tesla up here on this huge double top. I've got puts up here, just so you guys know. Not financial tax or investment advice. I am going against the grain right here, because if this breaks this double top, you're going to get a huge surge. It's a risk I'm willing to take up here in these clouds. Got
Huge pull, Coach, or a huge surge?
Well, if it breaks the double top, it's going to blast to the upside. If it stays down, you're going to get a knife drop back to 250, and then we'll see where it goes. I got in a little early. I would rather be in right here at 250.68 on these puts, but that's okay because I have to be able to ride this to above this 251.10. See it up here? So
Damn it, Coach. I got in early too, but to the upside.
Oh, I gotcha. Yeah, see, like I said, I'm actually going against the grain, but double top.
I know.
Double top's telling me, bye-bye, lights out, hasta la vista.
Oh, gosh, I hope not.
Put your stop in now. You better put your stop in now then.
Doing it.
And actually, I'm going to do the same thing while I'm telling you.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, that way if it goes absolutely redonkulous sideways on me, then I'll still be covered. Let me look at, let's see, 715.
Now, how do I figure out the price on options? Because I don't.
It's hard. It's hard.
Yeah.
Just give yourself a giant buffer is what I do.
Yeah, like
a lot. A huge
a
buffer.
buck.
Yep, here we go. Here we go. Christine, I hope I just saved your ass. There it goes. Thank you.
Spy pulling.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Christina, I hope I saved your ass.
Yeah, you did. You did. I got my I can sell it before my stop.
Look at that. Double top. Textbook. Like I said, I wish I would have bought it at exactly that double top. What a beautiful gamma candle, because I bought the damn thing too early. I'm still in the red, but didn't that do exactly?
I got stopped out. Look at that.
Nice. Didn't it do exactly what I said, ladies and gentlemen?
I wish I'd waited one more minute and heard you. And damn it.
Best formation ever.
Yeah, it's isn't that my Christina? What do I say? Is
well,
my
I know, but I was
trade?
thinking earnings and how it's been going. I was thinking it was going to blast through.
Nope.
I know.
Don't you dare.
I know.
Take your bias and flush it in the drain.
I know. Stupid bias. Stupid. Now look at it though. Maybe it's going to do it too.
It might. What's 250? Everybody.
And I got stopped out.
Everybody in the room. Everybody in the room. Isn't 250 support?
Yeah.
Okay. It doesn't matter. Listen, the money was right here. This is where you made your money.
Yeah.
This was the move. This gamma candle, that's the biggest money maker you'll ever make in scalping.
That's a double whammy right there.
Yep. Did exactly what we wanted. Now, again, I told you guys I got in too early, which is why my trade was still red even on the damn gamma candle pull. But it did exactly what I wanted, exactly where it was supposed to, everything, perfect execution for me telling you, not for me executing it, but I told you guys I wanted it to be at 250.68, and those are where all those puts are, right? It was perfect. But now I'm sitting in a face ripper, so I've got to be careful. It hit 250, right? I've got to be very careful here. I want it to break 250. And then it'll come back down and retest our 249.80, which we had before. If it can't hold, baby, that is lights out to 248.90, and I will get paid.
You creep.
And I leave in 3 minutes for the mentorship training. There it goes. If you guys are watching me right now and you're not in my mentorship program, as I'm sitting here literally showing you guys how to make millions of dollars, take your right hand and slap the dog shit out of yourself until you're unconscious. Then when you wake up, if you still haven't signed up for the mentorship program, I want you to waterboard yourself until you're almost dead. And then once you wake up from that, if you're still not in the mentorship program, I want you to go outside, lay down on the ground, get your lawnmower out, and I'll let you use your imagination. If you're still not in the mentorship program after that, don't come back in here, because what the hell are you doing? All right, we've got about 1 minute before I leave. Did anybody, moderators, take advantage of that super sale? I think they
I'd
did.
like to, Coach. You know I do.
Yeah, no worries. All right. We're still in this trade. Tesla's still on those puts up here on the double top. By the way, don't harm yourselves. Nobody should be harmed listening to American Dream Trading. Haters will be like, he told
I
himself.
got a great idea.
They'll be like, he
Everybody could
told him to
follow your
run himself
pre-market
over with a
ideas in a
lawnmower.
2-minute.
Am I right? That's what the haters will be saying later today. He said to run yourself over with a lawnmower, and he was dead serious.
I already waterboarded myself.
Oh,
Damn
there
it.
you go. There you go. Still in this trade. Still, it just rejected the 250. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, 250 everything again. I don't have time, though. I got to leave in literally 1 minute, so. Come on, knife drop. Pay daddy on the way out so I can get in here and make other people millions of dollars. Come on. Seriously, I'm not, you're going to go now. Fall right here. Stop bullshitting. Come. Come on. I feel like I'm talking to my dog to get her outside. Come on. Any day now. Any day. Fighting the 21. I don't have time. I'm going to have to get out of this trade because I have to make other people money and not myself. Yep, no problem. Yeah, we're always dead to the minute. We never run over in my classes. Don't worry.
Yeah, there it goes, Coach.
Yep.
Here it goes. Because you know I got in that way now.
Yep.
I switched it around.
Still sitting here.
Ugh.
Christina, did I save your ass though, or what?
Yeah, you did.
My goodness.
Because I got stopped out when I was trying to go and sell it.
Mm-hmm.
It would have taken me too long.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Told you. You're like, I'm going long. Like, wait a minute. What training video did that come from? You've been listening to the kids of TikTok?
I know, I was stupid biased. I know.
Been listening to the kids of TikTok again?
Well, no, you know what? I was thinking how, if once it breaks that 250, it's going to go. And then I heard you say double top, and I was like, shit, double top. I didn't realize that. I didn't pull it back and look at it. I wasn't even thinking about that.
You mean the whole time when I'm telling you guys I'm in puts?
Yeah.
Then I'm watching.
No, you didn't say it yet. You hadn't said it yet.
Yes, I did.
No,
Yes,
I didn't hear it. I didn't hear it yet. I didn't hear it for sure. I wouldn't have done that.
I got
for
you.
sure. Because as soon as I hit enter and it went, you said that, and I was
got you.
Oh.
I got you. Look at Apple pulling back. Tesla right here riding a pine on 250. There she blows. There it is. There it is. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Come on, keep coming. I'm going to get a little greedy. Come on. Come. Come on, for God's sakes, man. I don't have this kind of time.
Resistance on that center spike.
I see it, 249.55. I saw it.
I'm sorry, support, but resistance on a put, yeah.
Yep, I see it. I got to get out of the damn trade anyways. I don't have time. I have to go make other people millions of dollars, Palm Coast. You make sure you guys are in here making millions since I can't.
Yeah, it's
You
been a
just
good
tell
morning
me it was
today, Coach.
11% on the whole account, you guys think.
Good job. How'd you do today, Palm?
Up 27,000.
$27. Nice job. $27,000. You guys hear that? That's Palm Coast. That's one of our moderators.
Nice.
Good job, Palm Coast. $27,000 for one of our moderators right there. You guys heard it live. All right.
Way to go.
Nice job. Palm, I'm still fighting the stupid 250. I'm going to have to get out of here.
Yeah, I feel you. I've been marinating on a couple of them today.
Yep. I'm going to have to pull the trigger and get out of this because I don't like it above 250. And I have to go live in 5 minutes in the other group. All right, listen, everybody. I want to thank all my modders. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, Palm Coast, Angie, and Aaron. Thank you to all my military family and my first responders. Got to go. Love your faces. Moderators, you now have control of the board. See you. Thanks. Got to go. See ya. See ya.